Hey YouTubers, Joe Ahead and Unbox It here, and so today I am going to do a YouTube video on something I have not done a YouTube video on before, on toys from my second favorite TV series, which is Family Guy. Of these two characters from my favorite TV show, Family Guy, that I have not done a YouTube video on before. And my two favorite characters, these are Peter Griffin and Brian Griffin. So, as you know, the release date on these were released in 2013, and then again. In 2013, they came in 2-pack boxes, and these were released again. They're the same. They were released. They're the same from 2013. They were released again in 2017 in the blind bags. You know, I've had these. I ordered. I must have got these online or at a flea market. So in this video, I am going to, you know, these don't look like Legos, but they're Connects. But I have done a YouTube video. I have done a YouTube video on years ago, in the past, on the Connects Mario figure. But I had to sell that at the Lego store at the mall. So anyway, let's jump right into it. First up, we're gonna take a look at Peter Griffin, my first favorite character from Family Guy. Whoa! As you can see, they did an awesome job painting his hair in brown. Hey, you know, I have not made a Lego Peter Griffin before, but I have the Connects figure of Peter Griffin. But they did an awesome job drawing circles and lines for his glasses, kind of like Igor and Harry Potter. And as you can see, you can see him, he has the nice smile on his face. He looks very happy. Look, as you can see, as you can see, his chin looked like balls. Take a look at the back right here is the print. This was released in 2013. Fox, made in China. You know, as I can tell that they also made another Peter Griffin figure in the suit, the business suit Peter Griffin, in the Connects build set that you came with his red car that he drives. Yes, but and they also came with this Peter Griffin. I only saw fan art on Google of the bruised Peter Griffin, which was blind bag of series 2. That would be cool. They didn't make a bruised Peter, Stewie in underwear, Chicken, Death, and Cleveland Brown or Glenn Quagmire. They only made it for Peter, Brian, Chris, Stewie, Lois, and Meg. So anyway, you can rotate his arms if you want, and his hands. If you want to, you can take his head comes off, but that's very cool. His head is removable. Well, but I kind of look at Connects I have not done YouTube videos on Connects figures before. I did once on the Super Mario that I sold. Anyway, you can take off his torso. You could, actually, if you wanted to, you can place this Peter Griffin, instead of the suit Peter Griffin, you can place him in his car like he's driving in the episodes. They did an awesome job painting his skin tone in peach. Let's check out. As you can see, they did an awesome job painting his drawing on his shirt in white, and they did an awesome job with his belt and his belt buckle in gold. They did an awesome job painting his pants in forest green and his shoes in dark brown. And there you have Peter Griffin. Up next, let's check out my second favorite character from Family Guy, which is Brian Griffin. Fox. Yup, this actually came out in 2013. You know? Brian Griffin, he's the dog, which kind of reminds me of Snoopy and Mr. Peabody. The dog talks. He doesn't make dog noises and growl. If he does, he'll be ruff, ruff. I only have seen him that in one of the episodes that I have watched on Hulu on Disney Plus. Same thing. You take off his head. Whoa. They sculpted a red thing for his collar. And his collar right here, which is painted in gold. They did an awesome job sculpting the tail right here for his dog tail. This kind of looks like a duck, like Donald Duck or Scrooge McDuck. You can remove his parts, but I will not lose his parts. Their hands are open, but same as Legos. You know, on my YouTube video, these are already out of the box and out of the blind bag. Whoa. They did an awesome job painting this dog in white. They painted his nose right here in a black color. They did an awesome job sculpting his dog ears and his eyes. Actually, this is going to be like a quick video review. You know, I am a Family Guy expert. You know, they painted his collar in red, but it would be fun to get like an evil Brian, like the bad Brian, it will be like his blue collar, but they only made the good Brian, which his collar is in red. You know, I have seen the episode of Family Guy when he found the last scroll. It goes. Hey, give me write a comment down below of which one was your favorite Family Guy figure I reviewed today. And that's it, and that's it for this video. And guys, wait up. Don't forget to hit that bell to subscribe, and don't forget to write a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that like. And guys, and thank you for watching. Take care. We'll see you again real soon. It seems today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV. But where are those good old-fashioned values on history to rely? Lucky there is Family Guy. Lucky Reese, the man who positively he can do all the things that make us laugh and cry. He's a Family Guy.